Cymru is a national programme which has a responsibility to oversee technology-enabled care in Wales.
We were doing some small-scale project for video consultation. Come the 4th of March, we were transmogrified in about 48 hours to an implementation programme that needed to buy, scale and implement.
We didn't want complicated software that needed to be downloaded, and so we actually used a solution that had been specifically designed for health and was used through a normal computer browser.
We were already collaborating with our partners in Scotland, and they already had a scalable solution in place called Attend Anywhere.
So we undertook a procurement, and we also had to do a number of checks to make sure that what we were delivering was safe and secure.
In order to take quick decisions and move things forward, we had a daily meeting for half an hour. We just talked through what we'd done the day before and what we were going to be doing that next day. And that's really important when there are so many moving parts.
We took an agile, iterative process. So we would take baby steps, try, evaluate, learn, improve, and then go again, so that we were able to provide something as quickly as possible that not only could we have confidence in, that we'd have evidence that would reassure clinicians and patients